The one-to-many or many-to-one relationship, this also applies the other way around, we'll have a look at the one-to-many relationship here, simply works in a way that we have one table, here named companies, and another table, here employees. In the companies table, we have an ID column with unique entries. We learned this throughout the course. Each table has individual entries, rows, did you say, with unique IDs. And the first column here could be the name, so the company name, for example, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, so unique companies. And the second column here and other columns could contain information about the companies, the address, whatever, it doesn't play a role. Important here is that our employees table also has an ID column, so with a unique ID for each individual employee. And we also have the first name, for example, the second name, and so on, of the different employees, here Max, Manu, and Sarah. But in the second column, we have the company ID. The company ID here contains values like 3, 1, and 1. Now, this company ID is actually, again, a foreign key. Specifically, we have the primary key here in the companies table. So this first column is the primary key, so the individual unique identifier for each company. But the company ID here is the foreign key of this ID, referring to the specific company. And whilst we have unique entries in the companies table, unique IDs, the ID 1 here, for example, so Apple, is recorded multiple times here in the employees table. This simply means that the first employee, Max, works for Amazon, whereas Manu and Sarah both work for Apple. So one-to-many. We have one, so a unique entry for the primary key in the companies table for the ID column, and we have many, so one or multiple entries, here the case for the company ID 1, in the employees table for the foreign key. So this is the one-to-many relationship case.